Congratulations! You have qualified to become a QMath teacher partner. You have it in you to become a successful teacher and shape the future of India. Did you know that about 73% of women in India are unemployed? We are changing that. We are empowering thousands of educated homemakers across India and enabling them to make their lives more impactful. Let us take you on a ride through your QMath journey. The first step is to undergo rigorous training facilitated by our team. Once you complete it, you become a certified QMath teacher who can start her center with high credibility. Your training is online and self-paced, so you can complete it at your convenience. But don't worry, we set you goals so that you can achieve them daily and stay on track. There is also an activation meet where we will equip you with everything that you need to chart your personalized growth trajectory. Complete the online training, attend the meetup, and you're certified. Once you're certified, you'll be connected to your growth manager who will be your friend and mentor throughout your QMath journey. He will guide you step by step through everything that you need to grow your center and optimize all the help you receive from us, from using your starter kit to understanding the company vision. Now the first challenge you face is getting your first 2 students. But trust me, with our help, it is not difficult. The first thing we recommend is for all our teachers to invite parents to a workshop wherein one of our experienced team members explains to them about the need of a program like QMath and convinces them to enroll their children in it. Our records show that out of every 10 parents who attended, 6 registered. With our help, inviting parents to this workshop is an easy task. With your growth manager's help, you just pick a date and he will help you throughout in optimizing Facebook, WhatsApp, and your personal contacts and ensuring that at least 5 to 6 parents attend each of these. Your starter kit, which you'll receive a few days after you're certified, is an amazing toolkit that has your certificate along with banners, pamphlets, and posters that you can put up in your society, neighborhood, nearby grocery stores, and any such places where families frequently visit. While you are using these collaterals provided by us, side by side, we run high impact campaigns on all major social media networks so that our teachers have a global outreach. We also extend on-ground support across all 4 regions where our top level executives meet teachers like you on a regular and personal level. Apart from this on-ground support, we also hold regular online and offline meetups so that you are constantly updated and in touch with each other. By using all the help we provide you till this stage, hosting parent workshops, using your digital kit, your starter kit, working closely with your growth manager, and many more, by this time, you will be able to get your first 2 students. Trust me, many of our teachers who reach this stage have had way more. Your next big milestone is going from 2 students to 4. But by this time, your existing students become your recommendation ninjas. Once this world-class product is in the hands of your students, their parents are likely to recommend it to other parents. Remember, word of mouth spreads like wildfire, and you're already a star to many of your parents. Now you must be wondering, after all this adventure, what's next for you? Wait for it, because now is the time you will conduct a QMath quiz. Conducting a QMath quiz has been one of the most joyous and life-changing experiences for our teachers. Each week, across the nation, many of our teachers conduct quizzes. Our team works closely with them to make sure each quiz is a grand success. Besides all that we just mentioned, we also conduct exhibitions, organize digital campaigns, provide on-ground support, hold scholarship tests, have teacher meetups, and much more. Remember, we do not want you to do door-to-door marketing. What we do expect you to do is follow the simple steps we have laid down for you that make a mark, such as optimizing your personal contacts, organizing parent workshops, using the starter kit and the digital kit, conducting a QMath quiz, and that's it. Our teachers' growth is synonymous with our growth. We've grown on multiple levels and now there's just no looking back. This is just the start of the journey of changing the lives of women and children across the nation. Because there is no greater joy than the joy of teaching children and watching them become successful. With so little investment in terms of your time and money, you have so little to lose, but everything to gain. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Start your QMAT journey now.